Hello students, welcome back to Science 2 lecture. In our last lecture, we started with important components of computer. In that, we studied about memory. Now, what is memory? It is a place for storing data which is obtained from the input and also from the output device. Okay. Now, there are two types of memory, that is internal memory and external memory. Again, the internal memory is divided into two types, that is RAM, which stands for random access memory, and then we have ROM, which stands for read only memory. Now today in this lecture we are going to start with the next important component of a computer, that is operating system. Now, what is an operating system? So, this is a program which provides a means of communication between the computer and the person working on it. Okay, it is a program which is giving us information between the कंप्यूटर और जो इंसान उस कंप्यूटर पे काम कर रहे हैं उसके बीच में जो इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है उसे क्या कहा जाता है? ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. वो एक प्रोग्राम है. ओके, नाउ इट इज कॉल्ड द DOS, disk operating system. Okay, now we cannot use a computer without its operating system. All right, a computer always have a operating system which provides means of communication, or it is providing the information between whom? Between the computer and the person who is working on it. Okay, now this operating system is called as disk operating system, and a computer cannot work without its operating system. Now, what is a program? A program is a group of commands to be given to a computer, and data and information is in its raw form, okay, unprocessed form. Now, two main components of a computer are again hardware and software. Alright, now what is hardware? Hardware consists of all the electronic and mechanical parts used in the computers. जितने भी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक या फिर मैकेनिकल पार्ट्स होते हैं उसे क्या कहा जाएगा? हार्डवेयर कहा जाएगा. और सॉफ्टवेयर क्या है? सॉफ्टवेयर रेफर्स टू द कमांड्स गिवन टू द कंप्यूटर or information supplied to it in input form and the results obtained from the computer after analysis. ओके, तो हार्डवेयर बेसिकली क्या है? जितने भी कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं, जैसे कि अभी मैंने आपको बताया था लास्ट लेक्चर में रैम और रोम के बारे में. तो रैम और रोम क्या है? एक टाइप के बेसिकली चिप होते हैं जो प्रेजेंट होते हैं कंप्यूटर में. लेट मी शो यू द पिक्चर. सी ओवर हियर. सो दिस इज अ पिक्चर ऑफ रैम. ओके, दिस इज रैम, इट इज लाइक अ चिप, राइट, एंड दिस इज रोम. ओके, तो ये क्या है? ये बेसिकली किस में आ जाएगा? ये हार्डवेयर में आ जाएगा. ऑलराइट, तो कोई भी चीज़ जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक से रिलेटेड हो या फिर कोई मैकेनिकल पार्ट जो कंप्यूटर में प्रेजेंट है वो किस में आएगा? वो हार्डवेयर में आएगा. ठीक है, और सॉफ्टवेयर में क्या आएगा? जो भी कमांड्स आप कंप्यूटर में इनपुट करते हैं या फिर इनपुट करने के बाद जो रिजल्ट हमें मिलता है एनालिसिस होने के बाद, तो वो सब क्या हो जाते हैं? वो सॉफ्टवेयर में आ जाते हैं. ऑलराइट, और ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम क्या है? ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम वो एक प्रोग्राम है जिसके वजह से जिसके थ्रू कम्युनिकेशन होता है कंप्यूटर एंड द पर्सन हु इज वर्किंग ऑन इट. ओके, नाउ लेट अस सी व्हाट प्रिकॉशंस यू विल टेक व्हेन एंटरिंग डेटा. जब आप डेटा एंटर करते हो कंप्यूटर में तो आपको क्या प्रिकॉशंस लेना है? लेट अस सी दैट. So, first precaution that needs to be taken while entering any data is the data should be kept in a tabular form. Okay, it should always be kept in a table form. Different types of data should be entered in different cells. Data should be entered neatly and in one flow. Unnecessary space and special characters should not be used. First thing क्या है? डेटा हमेशा मोस्टली टेबल फॉर्म में आप क्रिएट करो. ठीक है, टेबल फॉर्म में आप स्टोर करो. नेक्स्ट थिंग, हर एक डेटा डिफरेंट डेटाज डिफरेंट सेल में आपको स्टोर करना है. नाउ दिस टर्म्स आई होप एवरीवन नोज कि व्हाट इज सेल इन एन एक्सेल शीट. इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट पर्टिकुलरली सेल क्या होता है वो आपको पता होगा. एक्सेल शीट में जब हम कोई भी डेटा स्टोर करते हैं तो हमें जो कॉलम होता है, जो बॉक्स होता है, उसे क्या कहा जाता है? कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज में सेल कहा जाता है. ओके, नाउ अननेसेसरी स्पेस नहीं डालना है आपको, ठीक है, या फिर कोई स्पेशल कैरेक्टर्स नहीं आपको इनपुट करना है डेटा एंटर करते वक्त. ऑलराइट. Next thing, many times we drag and fill data. Okay, at such times the smart tag can be used after drag data to fill any data in any manner as required. Right now, what happens many times, what we do, the same data which is written, which is being stored at one place, has to be stored at some different place also. Okay, it may happen. So what you can do, many times you drag that data and you fill the same data at somewhere else. Okay, so what should be done at that time? Smart tag should be used so that dragged data can be filled in any manner as required. Alright, now once the data has been entered, it can be formatted in different ways. Similarly, we can perform different types of calculations using different formula. While using a formula, the is equals to sign should be typed first. Similarly, no space should be inserted while typing any formula. Now, whenever if in Excel sheet, whenever we are putting any formula, okay, so first what we have to do, we have to first place the is equals to sign. Now if while writing any sums, you must have like for example, I want to do addition. Okay, so I want to add 46 plus 30. Okay, afterwards I am going to put the is equals to sign and then I am going to get the answer. Okay, that is 76. Okay, so now this is how we do manually, but in case of entering any formula in the Excel sheet in the cell, first you have to put the formula, first you have to put the is equals to sign, and then whatever formula you are typing, you have to write it down. Okay, so this is one of the precaution or one of the step which you have to follow while entering any data. Now what are some uses of information communication technology? Okay, what are the different uses, what other things ICT can be used? So it can be used for demonstration. Alright, some experiments and concepts in science can be demonstrated easily and effectively by giving simulation and animation. Alright, then predictions can be made after compiling and processing information. In case of for example, when for meteorology, okay, as we have studied in the last lecture itself, meteorology, it is a department, Indian Space Research Department, where predictions or forecasting, weather forecasting has been done. So how do they process their data? With the help of computer, right? So this is one of the another use of ICT. Then for collecting scientific information from like internet, emails, news groups, any blog or Wikipedia or video conferencing. So through this different apps or through this different programs, you can collect information also, right? Now let us see some opportunities in the computer field. Okay, so first is software field. Now what is software field? It is an important field which have been accepted the challenge of creating softwares. Many companies have entered this field. Now see children, I have already explained you the difference between hardware and a software. Software is what? It is a program kind of thing, or it is software basically refers to the commands which have been given. Okay, whatever commands have been input and the output together forms the software. Alright, now software field is what? Basically it is a field where softwares are created. Now if I'll give you an example of for example Uber. Okay, Uber is an app where you can find rides to travel, right? So now this app, how it works, you enter your location and then Uber itself picks up a car which is nearest to your location. Okay, now how it is working? This app is basically working on a software. right? This app is basically working on a software. Because of a software, you are inputting an information and the output is being processed and you are getting that information. Okay, so basically different for various things nowadays softwares are created. Many companies create their own software and then they use that software. Now the opportunity in software field can be classified as application program development. So these are basically different fields of software. Okay, now it can be application program development, as I've given you the example of Uber. Then software package development, operating systems and utility development, special purpose scientific application. So these are the various fields in software field. Okay, then we have hardware field. Now today there are several companies in our country which make computers. Okay, they sell these computers that they have themselves made. Okay, they have made those computers themselves and then they sell it. Now what is hardware? Hardware is the electronic or the any physical component which is there in the computer. So basically they themselves make the computer and then they sell it. Okay, now others sell computer brought from outside as well as repair them and take maintenance contracts to keep computers in big companies working efficiently without a break. Okay, now huge companies or the companies which work on large scale, they are having a lot of computers. Okay, they require a lot of computers. All right, now what one work is this, that hardware in hardware field, that they take they take kind of a contract, so that like they take a contract, they make a contract to make the computers maintained. Okay, for their maintenance, and if a computer is not working properly or there's some issue with the computers, so to maintain them, to repair them, they take these contracts so that big companies won't get affected due to some due to the breakout of the computer or some other reason. Okay, now plenty of jobs are available over here. There are job opportunities in hardware designing, hardware production, hardware assembly and testing, then hardware maintenance, servicing and repair, etc. So these are the various job opportunities which are present in the hardware field also. Then we have training. So the training of new entrants for various jobs in a vast field. It is very important to have dedicated teachers who are competent in the field of computer. Then we have marketing. Another opportunity in computer field is marketing. So there are many establishments which make and sell computers and related accessories. Now various accessories are also related to computer. It's not just computer which has been used. We have CPUs, we have a keyboard, mouse, then monitors. So all are, what are these all? Printers, right? So these are what? These are the accessories which are related to the computers. So they need good sales personnel who are experienced in the working of computers as well as skilled in marketing. All right. So with this we have completed our chapter number 10, Information Communication Technology. Now what is the full form of ICT? Just now I told you that is Information Communication Technology. Full form of RAM is Random Access Memory, and then full form of ROM is Read Only Memory. Alright. So with this we have completed our chapter number 10. I hope everything is been understood to each one of you, and what are the different uses and how different opportunities are there in the computer field. Thank you.